Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show you how to open your Acura ILX key fob. First, gather a small flathead screwdriver and ensure you have a new CR 2032 battery ready. It's best to work on a clean, well-lit surface to prevent losing any small parts. This preparation makes the process smooth and straightforward, helping you quickly get your key fob working again with minimal hassle. Having the right tools is key. Now that you have your tools, locate the small release button on the side of your key fob. Press this button firmly, and then you can easily pull out the metal emergency key. Removing this key is a crucial first step, as it exposes the small slot or seam where you'll insert your screwdriver to begin prying the fob open. This action prepares the fob for the next step. With the emergency key removed, you'll see a small slot or indentation. Carefully insert the tip of your small flathead screwdriver into this opening. Apply gentle pressure and slowly twist the screwdriver. You should hear a slight click as the two halves of the key fob begin to separate. Work your way around the seam if needed, ensuring you don't force it to avoid damaging the plastic casing. Once the old battery is out, carefully insert the new CR 2032 battery, making sure the positive side faces up, just like the old one. Then, simply snap the two halves of the key fob back together until you hear a click, and slide the emergency key back into place. Test your key fob to ensure it's working correctly. For more great tips and to find deals on things like the new Kindle Paperwhite, check out the link in the description below, along with other fantastic offers. Reassembling correctly ensures your fob is secure and functional.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.